The Faroe Islands are a remote country in the North Atlantic Ocean and therefore heavily dependent on imported fossil fuels for electricity generation, transport, and heating. Despite new emerging technologies in the heating sector, most residential and municipal properties still use oil furnaces as the primary source for heating and hot domestic water, thereby causing a significant part of the Faroese CO2 emissions, as well as financial uncertainties for property owners due to ever-changing fuel prices. However, an increase in locally produced renewable energy and the goal to have 100% renewable energy on land by 2030 is leading towards a change of mind regarding heating solutions. An increasing amount of homeowners are starting to consider heat pumps as their primary source of heat, and we'd like to encourage the uptake of these more sustainable solutions. By analyzing recorded datasets ranging back over a decade, as well as ongoing energy flow analysis in new buildings, such as the Glacier Education Center, we are gathering data on the efficiency of heat pump systems in the Faroe Islands. This will help us determine the best practices for successful installations and will enable detailed information and advice for the general public. Our goal is to launch an information website aimed at home and property owners who are interested in installing alternative heating solutions powered by renewable energy. The website will be containing the results of our data research, information about available systems, personal experiences of heat pump owners, as well as function as a tool for continuous data collection.